People are racking up millions of views with simple stick figure animations. So why haven't you started? Truth is, procrastination is costing you potential income. Instead of overthinking, start small. Edit just 1 minute of footage today. Each step builds momentum, and before you know it, you're creating content that can make you money. Want to know how to start? Leave a comment below with where you're watching from, and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. I'm going to walk you through the whole process. Let's make this happen.
Now, stick on till the end to find out how you can earn from this.
So first you're going to use a script. So you could go to things like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and ask the AI to write you a script. Just tell the AI to write you a viral script. I'll probably leave a prompt also to this effect out there below. So assume you've got your script. The next thing is to go to either a free tool giving you text to speech like ElevenLabs. So I'm in ElevenLabs here. You could go to places like Revoicer where you could use your own voice to clone it and write you out a speech, or you could record yourself like how I'm recording myself now. So let me show you both the ways. Now I'm in ElevenLabs. Now I will paste the script and I will ask it to generate. I can choose the voice I want. You can even hear the voices you want. Say I want to use Bill as my voice narrator. I could generate a speech with Bill's voice, or in Revoice, I could put the script again and generate it with my own voice, or again with various voices that are available in different languages. And also, if it's English, in different accents in English as well. Now, I'll clone my own voice. I'll use my own voice clone here and I'll ask it to generate the audio. It'll take some time, and once it's done, I will have the audio. So I've got the speech generated in ElevenLabs. Let's hear it.
People are racking up millions of views with simple stick figure animations. So why haven't you started?
It sounds good. So I can use this as well. I'll click here, click to download, and it should start the download process. Also, Revoicer has done it. I can check out how it sounds in Revoicer as well. People are racking up millions of views with simple stick figure animations. So I can use either of those. You can choose what you want to use. You can even record your own voice, as I mentioned earlier. So that was step one, to get your audio file. Now we'll go to the next step as to how to actually create these stick figure animations. Okay, proceeding to the next step, we're going to go to Canva and we're going to start a new video. And we want it as a YouTube video or so, the size of a YouTube video. So a new blank video should open up. Now the first thing is we're going to go and upload the script out here into Canva. So I'm going to upload it here, upload files. So I'll upload the files. So I could choose my own voice one and even the ElevenLabs one. So I just need to pull it onto the canvas. Just ensure that the canvas is longer than your voice. Otherwise it'll start cutting off, but not a big problem. You can still get the whole thing. So let me pull it into this onto the canvas. Okay, so it's good. Okay, so that's about 37.7 seconds. Next, I want to add in a background to this whole thing. So backgrounds, and maybe up on a paper background. So if I'll just click and draw it onto the canvas, that looks good, but it's a little too harsh. So I can decrease the transparency, make it a little subtle. So that looks better. Now, the next thing I need to do is I'm going to put in splits on the canvas at various intervals. So I'll play it and I'll keep pressing S where I need to split this. So let's do that. People are racking up millions of views with simple stick figure animations. So why haven't you started? Truth is, procrastination is costing you potential income. Instead of overthinking, start small. Edit just 1 minute of footage today. Each step builds momentum, and before you know it, you're creating content that can make you money. Want to know how to start? Drop a comment below with where you're watching from, and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Now, I'm going to walk you through the whole process. Let's make this happen. Okay, I can delete the rest of it. So now let's go ahead and do that. Let's put in some stick figure animations into this. So what I need to do is go to elements, and okay, so I've put in here stick figures, and you can see Canva has a lot of stick figures personalities out here. So first thing, you're going to put in something that is going to tie in with what the speech is all about. People are racking up millions of views with. Okay, so I could put in something like this onto the canvas. Okay, so I'll just increase the to fit the canvas properly, and I can put in some text as well onto that, or I'll put in the text later. So maybe let's do the animation first, and I'll put in the text later. So why haven't you stopped? So we put in a question mark. Truth is, procrastination is costing you potentially. Okay, I'll continue doing all of this. You don't need to overthink it. Just keep doing all of this quickly. Just pull in something that possibly does make some sense to what the audio is about. Now, I'm going to walk you through the whole process. Let's make this happen. Okay, so next I can put in some text. So let's see what text I can put in. People are racking up millions of views. I can put this, I can edit the time that this comes in. So if you see here, element timing, now it's showing up here, but if it's not, you just click there and show timing. And what you need to do is you just need to move that and see where it comes in. So people are racking up millions of views. So also I can put in some effect or some animation onto that, like maybe a typewriter animation. That looks good. Okay. And also I can put in some elements like views. People are racking up millions of views with simple stick figure animations. So why haven't you? So I can put in Y out here, Y, and maybe move it to the side, make it a little big, change the font possibly if I need to. Maybe a playful font. Let's see. Something that looks good like this. Okay. So Y aren't you? And that also can give it some effects or animation. Okay. So like this, I'll complete all of this, and then I'm good to go. So finally, I will put in the processed video. What I need to do to get this whole thing is finally go to share and go to downloads. And once I download it onto my computer, I can upload it to YouTube and anywhere else I need to. And that's about it. It's that simple.
Now, do you want to earn from this? Well, have a look at the link in the description below for a free training on how to earn from this. Also, have a look at the other video linked here to see another way of making faceless content. And I'll see you in the other video.